Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are shifting gears from building muscle to building the engine that powers your entire life, your heart. Cardiovascular exercise, or cardio, is often misunderstood. Many people think it is just about endless hours on a treadmill to lose weight, but in reality, cardio is about training your heart, lungs, and circulatory system to be more efficient. When you perform aerobic exercise, you're teaching your body how to transport oxygen to your cells and how to flush out waste products like carbon dioxide. This process is the key to boundless energy, a sharp mind, and a long life free from chronic diseases like hypertension and diabetes. But you don't need to be a marathon runner to reap these benefits. In fact, some of the most effective cardio exercises are low impact and can be done right at home or in your local neighborhood. In this video, we are going to break down 5 of the best aerobic exercises that you can incorporate into your weekly routine to boost your metabolism, burn visceral fat, and keep your heart beating strong for decades to come. Let's get moving and explore the best ways to upgrade your cardiovascular health. Number 1. Swimming. Swimming is often described by doctors and physiotherapists as the perfect exercise. This is because it is the only form of cardio that provides significant resistance while being completely zero impact. When you are in the water, gravity is neutralized, taking all the pressure off your knees, hips, and spine. This makes it the ideal exercise for anyone suffering from joint pain, arthritis, or back issues. However, do not mistake low impact for easy. Water is roughly 800 times denser than air, meaning every movement you make, every stroke and every kick, is a resistance exercise. You are essentially lifting weights and doing cardio at the same time. Swimming engages every major muscle group in the body, from your lats and shoulders to your core and glutes. It forces your body to become efficient at using oxygen, increasing your lung capacity significantly. The rhythmic nature of breathing and the sensation of water also have a meditative effect, lowering cortisol levels and reducing stress. Just 20 minutes of swimming can burn as many calories as 40 minutes of jogging, making it incredibly time efficient. Number 2. Cycling. Whether you prefer riding a bike outdoors or using a stationary bike at the gym or home, cycling is a powerhouse exercise for lower body strength and cardiovascular endurance. Unlike running, which involves high-impact pounding on the pavement, cycling is a smooth, circular motion that preserves your cartilage. It specifically targets the quadriceps, hamstrings, and calves, building defined, strong legs without the joint stress. Cycling is also fantastic for heart health. Studies have shown that regular cyclists have significantly lower risks of heart disease and stroke compared to the general population. It is also a highly scalable exercise. You can go for a slow, leisurely ride to flush out lactic acid and recover, or you can do high-intensity interval training, HIIT, on a bike to torch calories and spike your metabolism. Because it is a seated exercise, it is accessible to people of all fitness levels and weights. Plus, if you ride outdoors, you get the added mental health benefits of sunlight, fresh air, and a change of scenery, making exercise feel less like a chore and more like an adventure. Number 3. Jumping rope. If you are looking for the most efficient, calorie-burning exercise you can do in one spot, look no further than the jump rope. It is not just a toy for children, it is a staple training tool for boxers and elite athletes for a reason. Jumping rope improves coordination, agility, and bone density. The impact of landing on the balls of your feet stimulates your bones to become stronger, preventing osteoporosis later in life. It is also incredible for the lymphatic system. The vertical bouncing motion acts as a pump, helping your body flush out toxins and boost your immune system. In terms of calorie burn, 10 minutes of jumping rope is roughly equivalent to 30 minutes of jogging. It requires intense focus and rhythm, which forces your mind to be present, acting as a form of moving meditation. It is cheap, portable, and effective. You can pack a jump rope in your suitcase and get a world-class workout in a hotel room, a park, or your living room. It is the ultimate tool for busy people who want to blast fat quickly. Number 4. Stair climbing. We encounter stairs almost every day, but we rarely think of them as a piece of gym equipment. However, climbing stairs is one of the most functional and challenging exercises for the human body. Unlike walking on a flat surface, climbing stairs forces you to lift your entire body weight against gravity with every single step. This places a massive demand on your glutes, quads, and calves, sculpting your lower body while driving your heart rate through the roof. It is a vertical movement that improves your VO2 max, the maximum amount of oxygen your body can utilize during exercise. Stair climbing is excellent for metabolic health. It burns fat rapidly because it engages the largest muscles in the body continuously. You don't need a Stairmaster machine to do this. You can simply use the stairs in your apartment building, your house, or a local park. Taking the stairs instead of the elevator is a micro habit that accumulates over time to create massive health changes. It builds the kind of functional strength that makes everyday activities, like hiking or carrying groceries, feel effortless. Number 5. Stretching and mobility. While we often focus on the burn of exercise, the final pillar of a healthy body is flexibility and mobility. Stretching is the maintenance work that allows you to keep exercising without injury. A dedicated stretching routine, or practices like yoga, improves blood flow to the muscles, reducing recovery time and soreness. As we age, our muscles naturally lose elasticity, and our joints become stiffer, leading to a limited range of motion and the shuffling walk often seen in the elderly. Regular stretching counteracts this, keeping your body supple and youthful. It improves your posture by lengthening tight chest and hip muscles caused by sitting. Furthermore, stretching is a parasympathetic activity. It signals your nervous system to relax and digest. Doing a 10-minute stretching routine before bed can improve your sleep quality significantly. It connects your mind to your body, allowing you to identify areas of tension before they become injuries. Think of stretching as the oil in your car's engine. Without it, the parts grind together and eventually break down. It is essential for long-term body health. To conclude, a healthy body requires a balance of different types of movement. You need the resistance of swimming, the endurance of cycling, the intensity of jumping rope, the power of stair climbing, and the restoration of stretching. You do not need to do all of these every day. The goal is to mix and match them to keep your routine exciting and your body guessing. Try swapping one of your regular workouts for a swim or a bike ride this week. Challenge yourself to take the stairs instead of the elevator. These small decisions compound to create a heart that is strong, a metabolism that is fast, and a body that is capable of enjoying life to the fullest. Thank you for watching. If this video gave you some new ideas for your workouts, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness tips. Let me know in the comments, which of these cardio exercises do you enjoy the most? See you in the next video.